Hello students, today we are going to start exercise 1E. Number 1, simplify. First question is 4 by 9 divided by minus 5 by 12. You know, when we going to divide a rational number by another rational number, instead of division sign, we will put a multiplication sign, and the second number, that is divisor, should be we have to put the reciprocal of the divisor. The first, write the dividend, then put the multiplication sign and write the reciprocal of the divisor. Then calculate and simplify. You will get the result 16 by minus 15. To bring it into standard form, you have to multiply. You have to multiply both numerator and denominator. Both numerator and denominator by minus 1. You will get minus 16 by 15. Number 5. Minus 16 by 35 divided by minus 15 by 14. Similarly, write the dividend minus 16 by 35. Instead of division sign, you will put a multiplication sign and you will write the reciprocal of the divisor. Then multiply numerator into numerator and put it in the numerator, and denominator into denominator, put it in the denominator of the product. Then simplify by 7. You will get here 5 and you will get here 2. Then see here, there is no more simplification is possible, so the result will be 32 by 75. Next, number 6, minus 65 by 14 divided by 13 by 7. The first, write the dividend minus 65 by 14, then place a multiplication sign and then write the reciprocal of the divisor. 13 by 7 is the divisor, its reciprocal is 7 by 13. Then try to do the simplify. Cut 65 and 13 by 13. You will get 1 here and 5 here, and here 7 will be cut with 7 and 14 will be cut with 7. Then you will get here 2 and here 1. So the result will be minus 5 by 2. Number 2, verify whether the given statement is true or false. 13 by 5 divided by 26 by 10 is equal to 26 by 10 divided by 13 by 5. First, copy the left hand side and solve it. You will get here 1. Then copy the right hand side and solve it. You will get also 1 here. Therefore, left hand side is equal to right hand side. Therefore, the given statement is true. Verified. In this way, you have to do all the sums of question number 2. Try to do by yourself. See the next sum. Question number 3. It is also verify whether the following statement is true or false. 3 of question number 3. Minus 3 by 5 divided by minus 12 by 35 divided by 1 by 14 is equal to minus 3 by 5 divided by minus 12 by 35 divided by 1 by 14. First copy the left hand side and calculate it. You will get 49 by 2. When you are calculating left hand side, you must obey the BODMAS rule. First, do the word in the bracket given, then you will divide the result by 1 by 14. Then you will get 49 by 2. Then copy the right hand side. First, calculate the portion given in the bracket. Then divide minus 3 by 5 with that result. You will get minus 24 by 5. Then divide minus 3 by 5 by minus 24 by 5. You will get the result 1 by 8. You can see here clearly that left hand side and right hand side are not equal. So here left hand side is not equal to right hand side. Therefore, given statement is false. Okay. I think you can do all the remaining sums up to question number 3. So try at home to do all the remaining sums up to question number 3 of this exercise. So thank you all. We'll meet on the next class.